Hello everyone, my name is Lasi again from Bandung, Indonesia, and here I want to share my paper to you. The title of my paper is The Effect of Search, Solve, Create, and Share Learning Model on Critical Thinking Ability and Creative Thinking Ability of Senior High School Student. Next. So the background of my study, the aim of this study was to obtain a comprehensive picture of the enhancement of critical thinking and ability and creative thinking ability who had learned using the search, solve, create, and share learning model. Next. And in this paper, I want to tell the research methodology. What's the research design is the type of this research is quasi-experiment, which research that is intended to determine whether there is a consequence of something imposed on the sample, namely in here student, and the population is all of high school student in one of school will be appointed, uh, of course, in Bandung, and research sample was taken using purposive sampling technique to be effective and efficient, was namely the sampling technique based on certain consideration. In the case of the search sample was taken at the direction of the mathematics teacher based on average level of ability of the same class. And the independent variable on this study is solve, create, and share, or SSCS learning model in the experimental class and the conventional learning used in control class. And the dependent variable is critical thinking ability and creative thinking ability from of ratio that. Next. And I have 4 assessment instrument, that is learning implementation plan, student worksheet, critical thinking ability test, and creative thinking ability test. And the analysis of this instrument test is validity, reliability, distinguished test power analysis, and difficult level analysis. All data obtained is quantitative, and the data result of the pretest and post-test data will collected and analysis using SPSS 16.0 for Windows and Microsoft Office Excel 20 and 10. And this quantitative data analysis was used to see the difference in the student critical thinking and creative thinking ability. And have 3 cases on here. One is if data are normal and homogeneous, we use t-test. And then if data normal but not homogeneous, we use the absent test. And if data is not normal, we use not parametric test. That is the main witness test. Next. So the result and discussion of my study is, we can see the normality test is 0.00 in SSCS and conventional. So the data obtained was not normality distribution, and we use main witness test that the value asymptote segment is 0.24. That hypothesis was obtained, that is the critical thinking ability of student in class using SSCS is higher than student in class using conventional learning. And next. And about creative thinking ability, I use normality test, and same with the critical thinking ability is using main witness test, because test normality test prove that it's not normal distribution of the data, and the hypothesis the creative thinking ability of student in the class that use SSCS learning is higher than student in class that use conventional learning. Next. So the conclusion of this study, that one, the critical thinking ability of student class using SSCS higher than class using conventional learning. And the creative thinking ability of student in class that uses SSS learning is higher than student in class that use conventional learning too. So I think that's all of my present. I hope this uh, make you enjoy and give you information. Thanks for the all and goodbye.